Well, today, 4 metro cities came together to voice their support for a proposal that would be on the November ballot for you to vote on. It would raise the sales tax to bring in more funding for transportation. Denver 7's Megan Lopez is live to explain the dollars and cents of it all.
Mitch, and this ballot initiative is actually one of 2 that deal with transportation funding for our highways and our roads. But this one that would raise the sales tax has already gotten widespread support. I mean, I'm talking about 30 cities have already said that they're backing it, as well as Governor John Hickenlooper. And today you had 4 more cities, Northglenn, Broomfield, Westminster, and Thornton, all throw their support behind Proposition 110. They're hoping you'll do the same come November.
4 cities, different in size, population, and transportation funding needs.
$100 million.
$6 million, specifically for the city of Northglenn.
But these 4 very unique cities are all coming together to form one voice.
I support.
I
absolutely support.
We are in support of 110.
I think it's the best solution for our local municipalities.
They're talking about Proposition 110, a ballot initiative to raise the state's sales tax by about 0.62%. Really just half a penny per dollar you spend.
The cost of that is a fraction of a percent.
But these cities say it would make all the difference, $767 million in the first year alone.
The reason it raises so much money is because there's so many people that will all kick in.
About half of that money would go to the state's highways, but the other half would go to cities and counties, areas that really need the help.
We don't have $100 million in our general fund to pay for roadways.
And they're hoping the fact that it's coming from sales will ease the stigma of a tax hike.
We have a very large tourism industry, and so if they're using our roads, just like we are, we're all going to be paying this consumption tax or the sales tax.
So they're voicing their support and asking voters to do the same come November.
This is not just about one city. It's not about the Denver metro area. This is really an impact to the entire state because it affects not only our roadways within our city, but our overall economy.
And so really, I mean, like you heard, it comes down to you and to me and anybody that casts a ballot in the November elections to ultimately decide if this is how you want to move forward with supporting our roads. Something else I can tell you is tonight, the mayors of 6 other cities are going to be coming together for a fundraising and awareness event, once again trying to push up this Proposition 110 and encourage you to vote for our roads. I'm live in Denver. Megan Lopez, Denver 7.